Well, hello there, YouTubers. Today I have an unboxing, which I already did. Take the box off, of my latest purchase. It's by Bottega Veneta. It comes in this really pretty greenish box. Okay. And oops. It's hard doing this with one hand. Hold on. Okay. Now to unbox this thing. How do I take the wrapper off? Like that. Okay. And it comes with this paper. It's just telling me blah blah blah. Anyway, back to the good stuff. Hold on. Okay. And more paper that tell you blah blah blah. And Veneta. Ooh. Bottega Veneta. Anyway, comes with a nice duster bag. And hold on. And there you go. This is the Candie Jodie. Candie Jodie? Jodie Candy? Bag. It's the smallest one, then is a mini, then the small, medium, large. And you can only carry like your ID, not even your cell phone. You can't carry nothing in this. And this was almost $2,000. Yes. It was 1970 something. Yeah, pretty pricey. But I got it in bubblegum pink. And it's so cute. Oops. It's so cute. But I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this because I carry a lot of stuff, medical stuff, and I mean my phone doesn't even fit in here, and you're supposed to like just hold it. Not, it doesn't even fit like to put it up on your arm or anything. Hold on a sec. So the idea of this is really cute, but it doesn't really serve a purpose, you know? So I don't know. Should I keep it? Or should I return it? Get the bigger one. Okay, bye.